He looks like he's wearing a Caltrans outfit right now.
He totally does.
My sleeping baby.
Miniature Scott. This cow, the baby Caltrans outfit.
Thanks, Emma. Trail, and we have baby and puppy in tow. Selma was super excited as soon as she saw that we were going on a walk. She was like, thank God you haven't forgotten about me. I've got Addison's little fan going for him in the back. I think he's just staring at it. There he was. We got sunscreen on because it is 88 degrees right now.
You look confused, little man. Oh, God. There's a house for sale right next to this park.
Really?
Mm-hmm. It said I'm gorgeous inside. We should go snoop.
Is it open house?
No. We can look in the window. That's not against the law, is it? People?
I think it's trespassing, but
no one lives there yet.
So Addison is going an hour past his nap time, so I'm surprised he's not screaming. He's got a very angry look on his face right now though. So hopefully, 88 degrees is not, it's kind of bad.
It's a bit warm out.
Yeah. At least he has a little fan this time.
Yeah.
Alright guys. So, yeah.
Go Selma. Selma, let's go. Selma. Selma. I can't fix it. Thank you.
You're so dumb, dog.
Okay.
I'm gonna take a video of his little get up. He's got his little fan going.
He's got a fan.
He's got a foot.
And a foot. And a cover. And it's breezy and it's beautiful.
He's like, did I say I wanted to be in your video? Hi baby, hi. Hi, good boy. You can take a nap. Are you just gonna drool?
Hi.
He's like, oh, you.
Smelled earlier.
Goodbye. We are done, and we have now switched. I have the puppy, and she's carrying Addison because he is being fussy in the car seat now. So she's pushing the empty car seat while holding the 16-pound baby, who is going to get back in the car seat in a minute because you are going to get sunburned. It is very hot. It just got 10 times hotter in the past 30 minutes or so. And I'm working on my arm because she doesn't know how to walk on a leash. So I'm trying to teach her. It's not going well. And she's really tired. She keeps collapsing. I don't see the end of the road. I think we've got a ways to go. This is the beginning of the trail.
You should have parked the car over there.
I know.
No, that doesn't work. I just realized it doesn't work.
This is how we all feel right now. Selma was a good girl. He looks so comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
And this is what we both needed right now.
Mint iced coffee.
So delish. I don't know if you're in it or not. So we went to go eat at a healthy place and got unhealthy drinks.
It's not that unhealthy.
and we're gonna put on a movie and enjoy the air conditioning.
Mhm.
I actually turned it up to 77, but it feels really cool because you're outside.
Yeah.
Because I was like, we're not gonna be home. I don't need to keep it
Feels
so
perfect.
low. Oh, look at him. He's doing his little sucky thing. Okay, well, he was doing it. He was like,
You put on the oil so He's really had a boob.
I love him. It's so cute. I tried to put his pinky in his mouth. I was like, maybe he just wants, and then he was just like, mouth would not open. I stepped on the playmat earlier when I was trying to get my
Oh.
memory card.
No.
Can you tell where?
No. I cannot.
I need to wash this anyways. Ugh, it's probably there too. As I'm like, yeah. I'm too tired to talk. We're ending this now.
Yeah.
Bye.